In today's video, I am going to teach you how to clean up email list in Kit. Cleaning up your email list helps you keep your audience healthy, improve deliverability, and avoid paying for subscribers who are no longer engaging. In Kit, one of the simplest cleanup tasks is removing cold subscribers, which are people who have not been interacting with your emails for a while. I will walk you through the exact clicks, and I will share a few practical tips so you feel confident before you delete anything. First, log into your Kit account and look at the main navigation. Click Grow, then select Subscribers. This takes you to the page where you can view and manage everyone on your list. Next, you will filter the list to show only the people you want to remove. Find the drop-down that usually shows Confirmed Subscribers. Click that drop-down, then choose Cold Subscribers. After you select it, the list will update to display subscribers. Kit considers cold based on engagement. Take a moment to confirm you are viewing the correct group. It is a good habit to scan a few entries so you know the filter is working as expected. Once you are ready to proceed, go to the top of the subscriber list and click the checkbox at the top of the column. This selects all subscribers currently shown in the filtered view. If you prefer to remove only certain people, you can select a single subscriber instead by checking just one box in the list. The key point is that Kit will apply the next action to whatever you have selected. With your subscribers selected, click Bulk Actions. From the menu, choose Delete. This opens a confirmation step, which is designed to prevent accidental removals. In the confirmation box, type Delete exactly as shown. This is case-sensitive in many systems, so type it carefully. Then click Delete to finalize the action. After you confirm, the selected cold subscribers will be removed from your account. Move slowly during the final confirmation step, especially if you selected all. Once you complete the delete action, you should assume it is permanent. If you intended to keep anyone, cancel and adjust your selection before confirming. And that is all there is to it.